Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here. So, here you see the comfrey I've been growing for the last 10 years. At harvest time every year, I usually pull some to infuse in some almond oil. So, today I am making some comfrey salve, and I'm showing you how I do that. Also known as knit bone set, slippery Ruth, and a few other names. It is commonly used to make herbal salves and creams and traditionally applied externally to support sore muscles, bruises, strains, and minor skin irritation. This week it's been rainy and cooler here, and my bones recognize the change in this weather. My grandmother used to say, I know we're getting rain and it's going to be moist because my bones are telling me so. And this week I've had some issues with my knees, so I thought this was the most perfect time to go ahead and strain this herb and put it to good use. The amount of the soil should last me, I would say, through the end of this year. That's if I continue to make the salve and also make some as gifts. And then in the autumn of this year, Lord willing, I'll start infusing almond oil once again. And now I begin the process of actually making the comfrey salve. I normally start with about 5 tablespoons of the infused oil. And then I add about 2 tablespoons, maybe 2.5 tablespoons of organic beeswax. And I let this sit in a pot of warm water. The stove must be on a low heat, and just let it melt, as you can see. Now remember, when using any form of herbal extract, plant, whether external or internally, always check with your general practitioner. I would say the longest part of making any salve is waiting for the herb to dry and the time it takes for it to infuse within the oil, which which is normally, depending on the strength, I would say anywhere from about a month to 6 months. My oil infused for about 6 months. And a bit of peppermint essential oil. I prefer to add the essential oil when the salve is at this point to prevent the essential oil, that is, to evaporate if the oil is still too warm. And of course, everything must be labeled before I place in the apothecary cabinet. Now, let's make some low carb zucchini stacks. Round chicken. My special low salt seasoning. Now these will cook for about 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees in the air fryer. And while that cooks, let's make some orange vinaigrette. And now a simple garden salad. and a bit of queso fresco right on top. This is quite a delicious meal, which also adds to my wellness and health goals. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or evening, and happy Pentecost to you.